1. Machine installation. Install the base of the tapping machine on the workbench and tighten for fixing screws. Adjust the positioning ring to a suitable height according to different situations. Rotate to remove the optical axis cover. Put the tapping machine into the optical axis. Make the bottom close to the positioning ring, and then rotate clockwise to install the optical axis cover. Then check the flexibility of the machine. Check the fuse. And the machine installation is complete. To operation demonstration. Power on. Turn on the switch. Click to enter the general processing page. Click User Parameters. The motor rotates right by default. If you need to use the anti-tooth function, you can click the bottom of the motor direction to switch from right-handed to left-handed. Click to return to the normal processing page. Click the thread selection button. The thread pitch can be switched between imperial and metric. Non-standard fine teeth can be modified at the tapping pitch. And the thread corresponding to the size of the tap can be selected. Adjust the tapping speed and withdrawal speed according to the workpiece material or tap size. Three. Manual tapping mode. Insert the tap chuck into the quick chuck of the machine head. Hold the handle and press down to align with the workpiece hole. Start the tapping button switch on the top of the handle until the tap taps into the required depth, and then press the withdrawal button until the tap exits the workpiece. 4. Automatic tapping mode. Click the depth setting, set the desired depth, and switch the manual mode to the automatic mode. Hold the handle and press down. Start the tapping button. The motor will rotate according to the pitch of the tap until it reaches the set depth, and it can automatically rotate back. 5. Deep hole processing mode. Click on the deep hole processing page. The corresponding tapping depth and withdrawal depth can be adjusted according to the hardness or depth of different materials. This function is only available in automatic mode. If there are different sizes of taps, you need to click the thread selection again, select the corresponding size of the thread, and set the required depth. Six. Workpiece parameters storage function. Click on the artifact page. Click on the artifact column. Select thread size, speed, depth for storage. This function can save a total of 20 items. Put the die set into the quick chuck of the machine head. Just click on the artifact page to switch when using it again. 7. External thread tapping. Put the die set into the quick chuck of the machine head. Press down and align with the workpiece. Start the tapping button switch on the handle until the required depth, and then press the thread withdrawal button switch until the workpiece is completely withdrawn. You can also set the depth and use the automatic mode to achieve tapping.